In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the controller batteries for the Oculus Quest 2 controller. On these controllers, you can see there's the trigger here on the handle. The battery is on the opposite side of the trigger. If you still have the left and right stickers on your controllers, this is where the battery is. To open this up, just push down. So go away from the circle here, push down to reveal the battery compartment. Same thing on the other controller. So away from the trigger and just depress this part here, push it down to access the battery. Now you'll see the one AA battery inside. The positive side is going away from the circle, and the best way to get this out is to push it towards the circle. So apply some pressure on the battery towards the circle, and then don't use like a screwdriver or something metal, but take like a library card, or if you have a credit card, and just put it in there, pull towards you, and that should give you the leverage to pop out the battery. So again, if you look at the inside here, there's the negative terminal. You can depress that. So that's why you can pull the battery towards the circle, like so. It gives you a little bit of room on the positive terminal there. And pop it out. Okay, so that's how you change the battery on a Oculus Quest 2 controller. Just takes standard AA battery. Obviously, I've got some nice lithium ones. You can also use a screwdriver or a small mini, scissors or whatever. But again, I don't recommend using something metal on a battery like this. So grab a credit card, grab a library card. Positive side goes away from the circle. Pull it towards you. Take the card. Pop it out. Okay, that's how you change the battery on the Oculus Quest 2 controller.